Good morning everyone, here we are again from our morning run. So yesterday I did finish 8.71 km. So today my aim is 10 km. So let's see if I can reach that 10 km today. Just some relaxing view of nature and the sounds of the bird singing at the background. This is just around Quarry Bay at near the football field and tennis court. It feels great to spend some time at nature. At the back of that is the soccer field. So look at those towering trees. Simply amazing, guys. And the sunrise. By the way, thanks again for your endless support to my channel. Thank you so much. And to those who are new, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I uploaded a new video. Thanks again for your endless support and see you soon. I'll be returning back the favor whenever I'm free.